Okay? Oh, it's so exciting.
Here it comes. Open wide. Yum, yum, yum.
Can someone get a burp cloth?
Use a napkin right
Oh, hello, hands in bowl. Oh, you are going to have to be changed.
Isn't that kind of watery, though?
Yeah, for the first one, it's very watery.
Oh, okay.
And then it gets a little thicker as she starts to be able to push it around in her mouth.
Yeah. She's doing good. Yeah, she's doing good.
She likes it.
I like the idea.
All right, Mommy,
Is
use,
that-
Mommy,
I've
use the
watched it.
spoon. That's it. Use the spoon and clean it up.
All of you guys
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah, she likes it.
Pretty good, huh?
Oh,
It's okay. It's all right.
Ooh, yum yum.
Mmm. You want to do it yourself?
with hands.
Oh.
Have it. It's yummy. Open up the airplane hanger. Mmm.
What do you think? Pretty good, huh?
Good job. Wow. Good job.
She's doing great. It's pretty clean.
We want pictures in a week when she's really into this. And it's in her hair.
So how's she doing?
Doing great. She's a pro and she seems to like the feel of the spoon in her mouth.
Ice is here.
Want some more?
Get some there?
She's had a nervous
It's such a new thing. I don't know if she's gonna know what she's
Yeah.
done, right?
the whole bowl. Thank you very much.
She wants to get her
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't she supposed to play with it?
Yeah.
You have to let her at the end.
No, no.